Hey, today I want to check out a Next.js application upgrading from Next.js 14 to 15. So Next.js 15 is out now, and it looks like they're on 15.01, 15.0.1, and they have this whole guide on how to do the upgrade. But it looks like they also provided a code mod to take care of it all. Let me show you what we're starting with. We've got an application that uses Nextdev Turbo and Prisma, and we're on Next.js 14.2.15. So what I've done is I've upgraded this project up to the latest Next.js package, and I updated most of my other packages so that they're up to date as well. And so what we want to do here is we want to go through the Next.js 15 upgrade guide. I'm really just going to run this code mod and see what it does, make sure it does the upgrade properly, and then see what else I need to do. So let's go ahead and copy the command and run that in here. All right, so multiple code mods are recommended. They're all selected. I'm going to hit enter. Would you like to run the React 19 upgrade? Yes. React 19 types upgrade? Yes. So let's go through it. It looks like, is your app deployed to Vercel? Yes, it is. So maybe there's another code mod it's going to do there. Cool, it's running through all my different files. And we'll see what it outputs here. Okay, so I saw my package.json change over here, and it's finished. So let's jump back over. Let's see what changed. So this is now Nextdev Turbo Pack, and Next 15, React 19, a release candidate, and updated types, ESLint config. It looks like it needs a PNPM override for the types packages. Cool, let's go through and see what changed. Okay, so it looks like search params now need to be awaited. I saw that in the upgrade guide here. Some of these changed to be async, and so we've got to await them. So before we used to do cookies, now we need to await it. Same with headers, draft mode, and params and search params. So it looks like this will change on any page that's using params. They now are a promise, so we have to await them. So it looks like the code mod probably picked up all of those. So await search params. Cool. There's search params. Let's jump to the article slug page. Yeah, this looks like it handled it too. Page props now has, it's a promise, and we've got to await props.params. And it did it for metadata as well. Cool, this code mod seemed to do a lot. Looks like it also handled it in route handlers. So let's look for route handlers. Yeah, it looks like that also needs the promise around the params, and then it awaits it. Yeah, so it looks like that handled everything. I know I had some usage of cookies as well, probably in my Supabase handler. Oh, and look, let's see what it did here. It did not put the await around it, and it looks like it didn't because this is not an async function. So I wonder if I could make this an async function, and then it would have handled it. That should be pretty straightforward. I'm also going to restart my type server so it picks up all the changes. Yeah, let's go ahead and make this async. Well, let's check that it is async everywhere. Yeah, so I could add that await there. These places I could add await. These are all async functions as well. Yeah, so I think I'm good to make this async. And then what I need to do is await cookies, and now I probably don't need this. That unsafe wrapped cookies. All right, so let's go change all the instances of this. And jump over here. Let's go back to all the references. And I think I got them all. Okay, so we made those updates. It's awaiting everything. Now let's make sure it runs npm dev. All right, TurboPack 1502. It started up pretty quick. So let's open this up. And this usually took like five or 6 seconds to start up. Okay, about 4 seconds. So it's a little bit faster. Probably not too much faster, but let's see if it's faster. It used to be pretty slow going to any new pages in the app. So I clicked. All right, that was much faster than it used to be. And let me jump to another page, the article page. Yeah, that was definitely faster. It used to take 5 to 10 seconds for every page that I try to load. And yeah, now it's definitely much faster. Cool, so overall it looks like that Nextjs 15 upgrade went pretty smoothly. I was on the latest Next 14 with everything else upgraded, and I ran the code mod and it pretty much handled everything. And it probably would have worked with that cookies change. I think it was just going to give me a warning in dev. There we go. We're upgraded to Next 15. And that was pretty straightforward. Seems like things will be much faster. And I know the Nextjs team has a lot in store for Next 15. Thanks for watching. Check out Dev Level Upper, and I'll see you next time.